Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add your signature to DocuSign. All right. For example, you have received a document and it needs to be signed. For example, this one. Okay. It says here you need to sign. So just click on it to open it up. It will be the same if you have received the email from your emailing service like Gmail. Right here, when you click on it, just click on Review Document and you'll be landed to the same exact page. Okay. Now just click on Start right here. If there is no signature right here, just click on Sign. Or if there are any signature, just click on Change. All right. Select from one of your templates, or you can go ahead and add in a new one, like maybe this one, Made for Money. Okay. Change the style, the initials as well. Maybe Money. All right. If you want to draw it, just click on Draw or upload your own if you have a saved signature. And once done, just click on Adopt and Sign. Replace. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, just go ahead and click on the sign button. Click on it and automatically it will be signed. Okay. If you want to change your signature, just click on it. Now hit on Change. Now select one of your templates right here or one of your signature. For example, this one. Then hit on Adopt. Replace. And you're good to go. Just hit on Finish. If it requires two signature, again, just do the same. Just click on Sign, hit on Finish. And there you have it. You just added a signature here on your DocuSign document. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.